Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Today, in welcome you all in your GK class. Myself, Sonal Tandil from Aswamik Vidyalay Party. Today, we will do lesson number 1, part 2, Fairs and Festivals. Children, we will not see the index which is given in the unit continue. So, part 2, Fairs and Festival. Fairs means mela, festivals means tyohar. So, start. India is a land of cultural and geographical diversities where one gets to enjoy and experience a wide variety of festival and fairs. So, India is a land. Students, land means bhumi. Land means bhumi of cultural. Cultural means Sanskritik. Cultural means Sanskritik. And geographical. Geographical means Bhaugolik Kshetra. Diversities. So, diversities means Vividhata. Diversities means Vividhata. Where one gets to enjoy and experience. Enjoy and experience a wide variety of festival and fairs. Let us get knowledgeable about a few famous celebration in India. So start. Read the clue and write the correct letter to know the answer. First, a tribal fair which is also one of the largest swayamvars held in India. A tribal means students, tribals means Adivasi. Tribal means Adivasi. Fair means Mela. Tribal fair Adivasi Mela, which is also one of the largest. Largest means Vishal. Swayamvars held in India. So, what will be the answer? So, children, you are answered here. So, children, you are answered here. Find the correct answer and write it. So, first answer is Tarnetar Mela, Gujarat. Tarnetar Mela, Gujarat. Second, one of the biggest livestock fair in the world. One of the biggest livestock fair in the world. Livestock fair. Students, livestock fair means Pashu Mela. Livestock fair means Pasu Mela in the world. So, what will be the answer? So, second answer is Pushkar Mela, Rajasthan. Third, a festival in which the god and goddess. God means Bhagwan and goddess means Devi, of the temple are taken for a boat ride. Boat ride means Navki Savari. Boat ride means Navki Savari. In the city lake, a festival in which the god and goddess of the temple are taken for a boat ride in the city lake. So, third answer is Float Festival Madurai. Float Festival Madurai. Fourth, a festival which attracts. A festival which attracts. Attracts means akarshit. A lot of car lovers across the country with. Country means this. With some great vintage model on display. On display. So, what will be the answer? The answer is Vintage Car Festival, Lucknow. Vintage Car Festival, Lucknow. Fifth, the largest cattle fair in Asia, which is meant for the sale and purchase of various livestock. Its main attraction is the sight of hundreds of elephants lined up on the bank of River Ganga for sale. The largest mean bada. Cattle fair means Pashumela. Cattle fair means Pashumela in Asia, which is meant for the sale. Sale means bikri. Sale means bikri and purchase. Purchase means kharid of various livestock. Livestock mean pashu. Its main attraction means akarshit, is the sight of hundred of elephants lined up on the bank of river Ganga of sale. So students, what will be the answer? The answer is Sonepur Mela, Bihar. Sonepur Mela, Bihar. 6. A 9-day festival of arts, music and culture. A 9-day festival of arts, music and culture. Culture means Sanskriti. So, the answer is Kala Ghoda Arts Festival, Mumbai. Kala Ghoda Arts Festival, Mumbai. 7th, the biggest gathering of humans on the planet at a particular place. Every 3 years, Hindus from all over the world come to take dip in the holy river and hear sermons from sadhus. The biggest means bada. Gatherings means sabha of humans. Humans means manav, manushya on the planet. So planet means graha. At a particular place. Particular place means vishesh sthan. Particular place means vishesh sthan. Every 3 years, Hindus from all over the world come to take a dip in the holy river. Deep यानी कि डुबकी. Deep यानी कि डुबकी in the holy river. Holy river means पवित्र नदी. Holy river means पवित्र नदी and here sermons from sadhus. Sermons means उपदेश. Sermons means उपदेश from sadhus. So students, what will be the answer? So the answer is Kumbh Mela, Allahabad. Kumbh Mela, Allahabad. 8. One of the biggest religious events of the year in the country. It sees our 2 million devotees near the Jagannath temple. Tree Hug Temple said charities are pulled to the Gandicha temple and back to the Jagannath temple after 9 days. So, one of the biggest means bada. Religious means dharmic. Religious means dharmic. Events means ayojan. Events means ayojan of the year in country. It sees our 2 million devotees. Devotees means bhakt. Devotees means bhakt near the Jagannath temple. Tree hug. Hug means vishal. So hug means vishal. Temple said charities. Charities means Rath. Charities means Rath are pulled to the Gandicha temple and back to the Jagannath temple after 9 days. So students, what will be the answer? So the answer is Puri Rath Yatra, Odisha. Puri Rath Yatra, Odisha. Thank you, students.